everybody. Here is our delayed check-in. We got to a campsite last night and it was pretty tight. Everybody was kind of stacked on top of each other on tents, so we didn't really, felt kind of awkward doing a recap, but we're doing it now. We hiked 18.8 miles yesterday. We left the Laurel Creek or Laurel campsite. We made it here to the Jenny Knob shelter. It was 18.8. That was a long day. We started out in the morning. We could see our breath. It was cold, and then man, it got hot at the end of the day again. I mean, it must have been a 40-degree temperature swing. It was like 75 and hot by the time we were done. The extremes are weird. I don't know, but it was a slog yesterday.
It was a long day.
A long, hard slog, but we wanted to put on a lot of miles.
We hit 600 miles yesterday.
Oh yes, that's right, 600 miles. So it looks like we're averaging about 100 miles a week now in the past couple of weeks. So I think we're starting to get the trail legs going on and get some miles behind us. So hopefully we can get another 100 into was it Catawba or was it Dalesville? So hopefully we can get there before we have to get off and grab Jeffrey at school, at college. But, putting on some pretty good miles. Virginia is pretty. It's just great farmland rolling under you. We're walking on ridge lines. Pictures and video don't necessarily do it justice, but, it's pretty out here. The biggest challenge we had yesterday was just water. There was no water, no good water.
Yeah.
So that's kind of why we had to push a big day, is because there was just no water to camp. So we ended up at a shelter that did have some water. Today, we're overloaded with water. It's like every half mile, it seems like there's a water source. So it's feast or famine, I guess. But we are running kind of low on food too. So hopefully there's a store along the way today. Hopefully we can grab a couple things and then get into Parisville, give ourselves a really good reservice. So we'll probably shoot for about 12, 14 miles today, depending how we feel. And I think that's it for now. All right, we'll talk to you. Bye.